Well, welcome back to the Undervalued Investor YouTube channel, where today we're exploring a massive acquisition with Black Box Stocks Inc., trading on the Nasdaq under BLBX for around a $9.7 million market cap. We're going to be getting into the news that they've signed a definitive agreement to acquire Evtec, aluminum supplier of proprietary parts for the EV, hybrid, and performance automotive market, with projected revenue of basically $52 million for fiscal year ending June 30th, 2024. If this is a conversation you'd appreciate, as always, just considering that like button, because basically Black Box shareholders are going to retain about 26.7% of the combined company's 12 million common shares post-merger, plus receive a contingent value for the current Black Box fintech operations. Now, Black Box has already acquired 13% of the sister company Evtec Automotive with 80 million in revenue and plans to acquire the remainder of the company in parallel. Now, just reading into some of the highlights, the revenue estimates for Evtec Aluminum have now reached 52 million for the fiscal 2024 ending June 30th. Basically an increase of over 60% from the year prior, with Evtec having record order demand in its pipeline of $778 million existing orders scheduled for delivery beginning March 2024. The order book has increased by approximately 430 million over the past 8 months and is expected to increase by at least an additional 150 million by March 2024. Evtec's strategy includes both organic growth and growth through acquisition, with Evtec acquisition targets including companies with strong order books for mostly single-sourced parts at attractive valuations. Currently, the company has multiple targets that are off-market that can provide substantial growth opportunities. There's a lot more you can read through in this article that just kind of highlights some of the transactional deal and more of the operations within this. But I just want to give you an idea when it comes to Evtec Automotive, just to get like a really interesting aspect from people that work for the company. It gives you just a strategic idea of how people feel working for this.
My name's Lee. I'm team leader for Section 2, and I've been at Evtec for 3 years now. My daily routine is I'll come in before everyone else, and I'll set the machinery up so when the operators come in, it's good to go. So we're setting up new things on the shop floor. My operators come up and say to me that they like what we're doing because it makes their job easier. If their job's easier, it makes my job easier. Usually 9 out of 10 times, everyone's good, everyone's happy. That is pretty much my day in a nutshell. People just want to work here because it's a growing company, I believe. It's got a good vibe. The hours are fantastic. It's the challenge. Every day is different at work anyway. I just like my job. We haven't had a high ratio of turnover in staff, which I think speaks volumes for a company. What sets Evtec apart is they give people a chance. A good percentage of our employees are disabled and they do a really good job here. There's a place for everybody at work. It's not what you can't do, it's what you can do. I think it's great.
Yeah, I think this is really insightful and a little bit humbling. It's always nice seeing just kind of the vibe of the working environment. But there's a lot going on with this company, and it's nice to see that Black Box is trying to take advantage of some of the aspects of Evtec, and currently for a $9 million valuation on the company. It'll be neat to see how this value plays into coming earnings. But I'll pass the question off to you. I'd love to know what you think in that comment section below.